Hello everyone, it's Bri again, and today I'm bringing you guys another video. So I'm so excited to share that I'm partnering with Ethika. They actually went ahead and sent me a few things and I was able to pick and choose, so I'm excited to go ahead and create some content using this merchandise. However, let's go ahead and start unboxing. But before that, I want to let you guys know, if you do end up shopping on Ethika, please go ahead and use my discount code. It's BREE15, that's spelled BREE15, and it's cap locks in Bri. So yeah, go ahead and check Ethika out. Let's go ahead and see what kind of content I'm gonna be creating with this. I'm so excited. All right, let's start unboxing. The rip is serious, so this is like my favorite part of ever unboxing, like just the beginning. Hold up. I think I've mentioned before that my hands get kind of clammy, so it's kind of difficult for me to open some packages, but I do have a few things. They just sent me my receipt code thing. Okay, so first things first, I got like 6 things. Alright, so this is going to be, it's like some booty shorts kind of thing. Oh my god, I'm kind of nervous. I got these in a size medium, but honestly I'm kind of thicky, so I don't know if they're gonna fit, but they're definitely gonna fit. We'll try them on right now. I got like a matching set. I remember. So this is the top. I got it in a size small. Usually I'm a larger size for bottoms than I am for the top part, so that's why. Oh my god, look, they sent a little sticker. Shop Ethika, you guys. Okay, cute, cute. Oh my god, there's a sticker in each of these. That is so cool. Oh my god. I'm like, who wants an Ethika sticker right now? This is so cool. I love that. And then I got another top. This one is more like of a bikini top, like a bralette kind of thing. I like that one a lot more. I think it's giving girly. You know I love my black, so that's why I got one black. And then I got a thong. I'm like, this is how she looks. Ethika. And this one I got in a size medium, but I hope that my ass doesn't eat that, because on God, like, the struggle is real sometimes. And then we're moving on to the gray stuff now. And I got one in gray as well, so it has Ethika around. It's just like this, like a regular thong. I love the gray color. I don't really go ever for gray. I'm usually wearing like black or pink. And then I also got a matching one in gray. I basically got the same outfits in just gray and black, but I love it. That's like what I wanted. Okay, and then we have another one of the booty shorts. All right, I think I would style this like, obviously, like, see right now how I'm wearing this like jumpsuit. It's like a quarter caps one. I just want to try like the Ethika bralette on real quick, so let's do that. Okay, so I first tried on the gray option, but I love how it looks. Like, it just looks really good. Here, let me just stand up. Like, I love how it looks. It's very like, it just like looks good. I'm like, what else can I say? It just looks amazing. I think I really like this color gray because it's not like a super dark gray. It's like a nice light gray. This 10 out of 10, I recommend this. And I got this one in a size small, if you need that for a reference. But yeah, let's go ahead and try on the black one. Okay, if y'all know me, y'all know I love black. I love me some black clothing, so yeah, obviously I am a fan of the black. It looks great. This is their triangle bra, and I love how it looks. Also, you guys, I am repping my Cora Caps merch. I was wearing the sweater, if you guys did see in the beginning. I love this tracksuit. It's so cute. It's so soft. Really good quality. Y'all should go hit up Cora Caps as well. Debating on wearing it to Disneyland, but I don't know, because I am going to Disneyland after this, you guys. But let's get back to the Ethika thing. I'm sorry, I like lost track. But let's go ahead and try on some more. All right, This one is going to be the S bra. This is the sports bra version. I really like how big the logo is. I'm a little bit more of a fan of the triangle bra, but just because it's a little bit more flattering to me, this is something I definitely wear. Like, I don't know, I actually wear both. They're both amazing bras. Like, they support you pretty well. Let's go ahead and try these on, and then I'll try the gray one on. Honestly, I'm really glad I went with the medium for the bottoms. As you can see, my little fat, my gorditas, but it's okay. It fits right. So I recommend, if you kind of have my body style, maybe get a medium on the bottom, where if you're thicker from your thighs and legs, it just feels good. But if you do want a little bit more support at the bottom, maybe I would end up getting a large. But I would honestly wear these with jeans and then just show like this part, like the Ethika part. I think that would look really cute. Okay, this is gonna be the gray one. I ended up pairing it with the triangle, bra. I think it looks really good. I love the gray. All right, that was a full 360 for you guys of the Ethika. I think it's really, really cute. I think with a pair of jeans, or like, here, let me give you guys an example. I see a vision. Hold on. All right, but you get the gist of it. Like, I just want the logo to come out. I think I'm gonna be doing something like this with maybe some like low-rise jeans, or like my True Religion jeans. So we'll see, but I'm so happy with it. All right, guys, so that's gonna be the end of the video today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thank you so much, Ethika, for sending me this package. I really enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'll see you guys next time, and stay tuned for those pictures because they're gonna be coming out soon. I'll probably do like a little vlog when I go take pictures of like the Ethika stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting me. I appreciate you guys all. Love you guys so much. See you next time. Bye.